Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I colored my hair, how I got this really pretty like ombre cinnamon brown color. This is my first time ever bleaching hair, coloring hair, other than like doing jet black, lifting hair, doing anything like this in my life, and I feel like it really came out really pretty. I'm not sure if you guys can see the color, but it is a true like warm brown, and I thought that would be perfect for my skin tone. You know, us women of color, I feel like browns and certain shades of like reddish browns look really pretty on our skin tone, and they just bring out those undertones. So I wanted something to bring out like my skin tone for spring, and I just wanted to do something different. I'll go ahead and show you guys how it looks in the back. I feel like I did really good for my first time. Like, I'm really proud of myself, so I'm pat myself on the back. But I did want to show you guys one thing before, because I started editing this video, but I don't know if I mentioned it while I was editing. But I ended up doing the hair like in sections. Like each bundle I would lift the bleach higher because I was a little bit afraid that it would ruin the hair. So what I did was, like, the bottom I bleached only the tips, but as I went up I bleached more. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but as I went upwards I bleached more, and I made sure that I kind of frayed out the bleach so it's not so blunt. And I like the mixture between the brown and the ombre that I did. Now this is the Eunice hair. I've had this hair since last summer, I believe, and the hair is still really good. I really want to bleach his hair to see how good Eunice hair like bleaches and colors and stuff. And to be honest, I can definitely tell I bleached the hair. Like, from here down it's not as soft, but it's soft. So whenever you bleach hair, you're kind of taking a risk. But after I deep conditioned the hair, it softened up really fast. At first when I bleached the hair got dry, and then I deep conditioned it overnight. Why this video, if you guys notice, is going to be in two parts. One, the bleaching process, and then the other part is going to be when I actually went and colored, like applied color to the hair over the bleach, because the hair was like this goldish brown and it had different dimensions to it, and I didn't really like that. I really wanted like cinnamon brown. Like, I want what I want, and I got what I want. This is how the hair looks. It's still soft, but you can see it's just not as movable. Just hoping like maybe with time the hair will soften up a little bit. But for me, having this hair from last summer, I feel like it's really good, and I'm not experiencing too much breakage as of now. But if I do experience anything, I will let you guys know. But for now, I feel like the hair colored beautifully and it looks absolutely amazing. It was really easy to do. All I used was bleach, developer, and I got some Adore hair color dye, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you like more DIY type of hair videos, or see how I do my own hair or anything like that, please let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know, like, have you guys ever ombre'd your hair or bleached your hair, and like, how did you feel the first time? Because I was legit so freaking proud of myself. This feeling is like equivalent to getting an A on an exam for me, because I just saved so much money by doing it myself. So I'm just gonna stop talking and show you guys how I did this hair. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the ingredients, or not ingredients, but the things that I use. You're going to need a bowl, you're going to need a dispensing brush or something, or you can use your hands, but it's better if you have a brush. BW2 powdered bleach, 40 volume developer. I mean, you can use a lighter developer, it's all up to you. This is just the box that I keep the Eunice hair in, and some rubber bands just to keep the bundles like all together, kind of like in unison, so they don't like spread apart and stuff. And then this is my hair, and I also had gloves on in the beginning, but I took them off because they were too big. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take the powder, and I took about 4 scoops, and I just poured enough developer in there to make a thick consistency. I'm not really sure the consistency it's supposed to be, but I just figured it'd probably be better to make it thick than too thin. So I made it pretty thick. As you guys can see, it doesn't just like droop out or anything. And then I just added it until, you know, I mixed it until I felt like it was a good consistency. Not watery, but, you know, something thick. So then you're going to need foil to wrap the hair in. This is like regular aluminum foil from the dollar store. So I started from the bottom and started brushing upwards because I know that 4D volume developer processes pretty quickly, so I wanted to start at the bottom so the bottom could be like lighter and then, you know, ombre itself up. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here. I did speed these clips up pretty fast because, I mean, it took me about 40 minutes to finish all 4 bundles, and we're not about to sit here for 40 minutes, so you guys are going to see the speeded up version. But basically, you know, I start at the bottom and I make sure that the hair is really saturated and coated so that it gets every single strand of hair. Like, I didn't want to have any patches or anything like that. And then I took a fine-tooth comb and I dipped it inside of the bleach and the mixture, and I just kind of brush it upwards. I make little streaks. I make sure it's distributed evenly throughout the hair, and just kind of just make sure it's not as like uniform, because I feel like ombre hair kind of looks like maybe the grown out version of dyed hair or bleached hair. So that's what I was going for. I didn't want like such a blunt, obvious transition from brown to black, if that makes sense. So I just, you know, tried to make sure I coated the hair and worked my way upwards, and that's pretty much all I did for each bundle. If you guys pay attention, you'll see that like after I wrapped the bundles, I folded it again just to make sure it's like really covered. And I was noticing like whenever I would touch the foil or check on the hair, it felt really warm inside, so that's how I knew like it's processing fast, like it gets warm. So I'm gonna let you guys just watch this until we get to the next portion. I did film this in 2 different days because I wanted just to see how the hair was gonna respond to the bleach, if it's gonna be dry or not. And I did deep condition, you know, and give the hair like a small break between adding more color on top of it. But if you guys can see, like each bundle I go to, I add, like I go up higher with the bleach.
Careful, be careful. Said he's careful, he's careful. I'm trying to get married straight from my Gina shit, cause I was through it. Living single, that Queen Latifah shit. Told you I was done with games, no hide and seek and shit. And if you with commitment, then you better come and get it all. Cause I done been through it. You asking did they break my heart? Boy, that's a 10-4. And I made them pay for it, but I made them wait for it. Them mamas really love you cause you sweating on my bundles. Blow stacks, invest racks, my baby on that. No cap, he come through, told me to hold that. Locked it down like incarceration. Told me I was his motivation. Damn right, we up for some we together. Do it on my own, with you it's better. Making money moves, you know it really ain't a thing. But let's keep it a stack, boy, what's the queen without a game? Only man, baby, I adore. You give me everything I ask you for. But let's be clear, baby, I'm a boss. I get what I want, puppy, that's for sure. Told you be careful with me. Yeah, you know what you're doing. Fucking with a winner, never losing. Yeah, you getting the whole world, I'm forever your girl. And we moving, he was careful with me. Yeah. You got the trophy in your hands, be careful with me. Cause my love's a fragile package with your address on it. Be careful, care for me, care for me. Said you'll be there for me, there for me, there for me. They can fuck with me if they wanted to. And they wishing, they wishing, they wishing, they wishing, they wishing on me. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you love it on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good, sometimes I don't, ayy. I finesse down Western Road, ayy. Might go down to G.O.D., oh, wait. I go hard on Southside G, ayy.
So this is like a few days later, and I just want to get this over with. So I just really didn't feel like being all neat and stuff. So, and I do have gloves on this time because I don't want my hands to be dyed. But all I did was take that Adore color. This is in the color 58 Cinnamon. And I just literally took it, poured it on the hair, and put it in my hands, combed it through, and that's it. Because I knew that the color without developer or anything is not going to penetrate the black parts of the hair enough for it to show. And I figured it would only really help it look more ombre. So I didn't really care to be neat and clean with it. I just wanted to get the color on there because if you guys can see, the hair looks more like blonde, and it's like different shades of blonde, especially the bottom where I started developing it first. So I just pretty much picked out pieces of hair, covered it in dye, and that's pretty much it. Like, that's all I did. Then I made sure I covered it with a shower cap for about 20 minutes, and that was pretty much it. I just rinsed it out with some cool water and conditioned the hair and straightened it, and
I'll make sure that no side eat, and still bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wishing, they wishing, they wishing, they wishing, they wishing on me. Bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wish.
so that's pretty much how I got this hair color. I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, give it a thumbs up if you found it useful. I feel like if you're a college student like me, a really good way to save money is to try to do your own hair. So I did do this sew-in by myself, and I did this bleaching, and I did the color, and I did every single thing by myself, and it just saves me so much money. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.
That's a real one in your reflection. Without a follow, without a mention. You really hyping up on these niggas. You gotta be nice for what to these.
Then you better come and get it all, cause I done been through it. You asking did they break my heart, boy, that's a 10-4.